Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub. Today we are going to learn how to create a GitHub repository. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's open the terminal. Okay, so let me go to my directory cd var www.html github, right? So the topic is how to create a repository, right? So what we have to go, just go to here. Where is the repositories? Your repositories. This is a repository. If you want to create a new one, just click on this new repository, name anything, that is I want to make it magento. Okay, and description you can put it over here. Okay, so it's gonna be public or private, depends upon to you. If you want to initialize with a readme file, you can go with initialize the readme file. Okay, if you want the git ignore, yes, so here you can add the magento git ignore file, so it will give you that which files to push on the github or not. Okay, so you want to choose the license also, so partial license or something, so you can choose according to it. After that, you are creating public repository in a personal account, so create repository. So here you can see that repository is done, right? So with the git ignore, with the license, with the readme file is there, right? So this is how the everybody creating a repository with the GitHub UI, right? So this is done. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. In the next video, how to clone this repository into our local machine. So whenever somebody give you the the GitHub repository, then how to clone it, how to work on it, we are going to learn in the next series. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.